Okay guys, I'm going to take a picture. Hulyan, Maya, look at me, Maya. Okay, 1, 2, cheese! Alright.
Can I see the picture?
So, what do you have there, guys? What is that?
I have a truck with missiles and it makes sound. And I have the thing that looks like a
Humvee, a Jeep, yeah.
and it makes sound too and lights up. And this one has sound and it can light up.
It's a tank, right?
Yeah, it's a tank.
Okay. So those are
Soldiers.
soldier toys. Armored vehicle soldier toys.
Yeah.
Now my question was, what is this huge box?
It's inside it has a frozen car.
A frozen car. Yes, and I believe it's a Ford Mustang. Ah! Yes. And I see Queen Elsa and Princess Anna.
Uh-oh.
There.
I can see
It's a Disney frozen Ford Mustang Power Wheels.
It's inside.
Wow, so awesome.
I think rappers.
Disney frozen Power Wheels.
And we're going to drive it in the house, right? Tada!
Not inside the house, Maya. Huh? There's not enough space.
Daddy, look!
Ah, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Careful, careful. Wow. It's a big, big, big box indeed. Oh yeah. Woo! And a very nice looking Christmas tree here. Nice.
Do you know the new waves?
Disney Frozen pretend radio with songs from the movie. 5 miles per hour. Nice. Drives on hard surface and grass. Woo! Power lock brakes. 12-volt battery included. Yay! Woo! Let's unbox it, Maya. Are you excited? Yeah?
And maybe the stickers.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of stickers inside, Maya.
No, I can see it too.
Hahaha. Okay, Maya. 1, 2, cheese! Alright, I got it. Okay, no, Maya, you're not gonna fall. Don't worry. You're not gonna fall. Rhea, have you seen Maya? Where is she? There she is! Boom! I found you. I found you. Okay, okay.
Where's Maya?
Where's Maya? Where's Maya? Peekaboo! There you are. There you are.
This is the right side.
Okay. Okay. Where is Maya? Where is she? Peekaboo! There you are. There you are.
You're so funny.
Alright, unboxing time.
Funny, Maya.
Alright, here we are, Hulyan.
Bye.
Unboxing time.
Boxing time. They're my stickers.
Be careful with the stickers, okay? Don't crumple the stickers.
Yeah.
Alright?
Like
Whoa.
Alright, be careful, be careful. You might scratch the car. Be careful. Remember, it's a brand new Ford Mustang.
Yeah.
A brand new car. Alright. Woo. Careful, careful.
Wait.
Go on.
I have to go silent.
There you go. Oops, 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 oops.
Yeah, I get to
Wow.
be side of the back.
Oh wait, Rhea, you know what? Put the box down because it's on its side and you might scratch the car. Wait, let me put down my camera. Alright.
Wait, Maya. Ready?
Whoa!
Oh,
Whoa!
I think that's the color for the snow.
It's so big.
Yeah.
I like the color. Sky blue or mint blue?
I think sky blue.
Sky blue?
Yeah,
I think mint blue.
me too.
Mint, yes. I like it.
I think it's light blue.
I like the wheels. Look. Chrome.
It's my shape. It's like swing.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm having a bigger one. I got my big. Whew, I got my shoes.
Maya is so happy. I can tell. She is so happy.
I got
And of course, Hulyan.
very.
What are you doing, mommy? What?
I got no. Too sweet.
There you go. Pull it out. Pull it out.
I got something else. It's this. That. Yeah, I love it.
Anything
now.
else? Yep.
I love it now. Oh yeah? I have something that can help. More. Tap you. This.
Woohoo!
Mom. Super. Maya,
Wow!
I'm going to attack you. Ready.
Nice! A Ford Mustang.
Maya.
Look, the steering wheel. Woo! Hulyan, look oh. You wanna go inside?
I'm inside.
Okay.
I'm gonna hide inside. Me too. I hide too.
Alright, where's the battery? We need to charge the battery for 18 hours.
Look at us.
Ah! What?
I think this going doing it myself. I don't know how to turn over.
Okay. Rhea, give me the battery. Find the battery. We need to charge it now. ASAP.
I found another wheel.
It's a nice looking wheel, huh, Maya?
Here's the battery.
that's not the battery.
Okay, Daddy.
Rhea, have you seen the kids? No? You know what? I think they are inside this box. Yeah. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. Ah! Ah! I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. They were hiding inside this box. Woo! Fun, Maya. Yay! Is that the battery, Rhea?
Yeah.
Alright. And there is the battery. 12 volts. Alright. Now, what's inside this box?
Wheels.
Well, that's the wheel. Let's open this.
If you saw one first, then you hold it. But if I do
The bumper.
it, then I hold it. So that's why I got to hold it together.
Alright. The stickers. Maya, look oh. Ay, ano ka ba? She got very excited, that's why. It's okay, Maya.
Hold up. Hold
The
up.
stickers! Nice.
There were stickers or no?
That's all, Maya. That's all. That's it. Alright.
Thank you.
You know what? It's now 8:30 p.m. I'm going to assemble it tomorrow in the morning when I wake up. Okay, Maya?
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. You know what, guys? I cannot help it. I want to assemble this car right now, tonight. I just cannot simply help it. I cannot help myself. I want to finish it now. What do you think, Maya? Do you want me to assemble it now, tonight?
Have you assembled it?
Right now, Hulyan?
Yeah. Me too.
Alright. Warning stickers.
Help you.
We don't need these warning stickers.
Yeah.
Go, Maya. Throw the warning stickers to the trash can. Thank you.
What